Let's make a gluten-free camping Snacklebox. I got some different items. Most of them are from Dollar Tree, not Dollar General, Dollar Tree. And some others. I think I'm gonna put these ones in the same container since they're the same items. Just a different flavor. Guess I have to snag one. Some delicious Simple Mills crackers. I'm gonna put some of them in here.
Some of them or all of them?
All of them sounds better. Some moon cheese.
Oh my Gluten.
This is from Sierra. Run away!
Cheese marbles.
And some coconut. And we have to have some dried strawberries. And yes, these are also from the Dollar Tree. Both of them.
Box down.
And we can't go wrong with some edamame beans. We'll bring the bag with. And these are some tasty snacks. Oh,